Happy Makar Sankranti, friends. Back home it's Bihu today, and it's a harvest festival. So predominantly we eat a lot of rice-based, jaggery-based stuff. So I have a very unique dish that I'm going to prepare. This is a very unique and indigenous variety of rice which is found only in Assam. It's called Kumol Saul, which translates to soft rice. This is a kind of rice which does not need any cooking. You don't have to boil this rice. That's the most unique thing about it. And the way we eat it is like this. It's a quick breakfast thing back home. So you just add some rice on your pan bati and pour some hot milk, just enough to soak the rice. Top it up with some jaggery. We let this thing stand for 15 minutes with the hot milk, and it's just done. So my breakfast is ready. Easy peasy, very breezy. Happy Bihu, folks.